esteemed guests from the Department of Tourism and the Philippine Information Agency who helped us mount this activity here in Iloilo, school officials and representatives of various organizations, members of the press, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I stand before you with immense pride and excitement as we officially launch a campaign here in Iloilo that is very close to our hearts, the global search for the happiest Pinoy. This initiative is not only an advocacy but a celebration of the unyielding Filipino spirit that remains resilient and hopeful even in the face of life's toughest adversities. And why the search for the happiest Pinoy matters. At Cebuana Luwilier, we believe in the profound power of positivity. This belief has driven us to create a platform that amplifies the voices of individuals whose lives radiate optimism, inspire resilience, and prove that happiness is not defined by circumstances but by an enduring spirit of hope and determination. This campaign is more than just recognizing an individual. It is about uplifting a nation. It reminds us that amidst the trials we face as a society, be it natural disasters, economic uncertainties, or the lingering effects of the recent global pandemic, the Filipino heart continues to beat with hope, courage, and a determination to overcome. Happiness, as we define it in this campaign, is not a fleeting emotion. It is a state of being that thrives on resilience, optimism, and a genuine desire to make an impact on others. This is what we aim to uncover in every nominee, their ability to rise above personal hardships and in so doing, inspire others with their journey. As an organization deeply rooted in serving Filipinos, the search for the happiest Pinoy is a natural extension of our core mission. Cebuana Luwilier has long championed initiatives that empower communities through financial inclusion, disaster resilience, and educational support. But this campaign is yet another way for us to give back by shining a light on the unsung heroes who make our society stronger and more helpful. This year, we are taking inclusivity to new heights. We are opening our doors wider, ensuring that every Filipino, regardless of their background, occupation, or status, can participate. From farmers in the provinces to small business owners in the cities, we want everyone to feel seen and celebrated. The search for the happiest Pinoy is not just a one-time event. It is a movement, a ripple effect of hope that starts with one story and spreads to families, communities, and beyond. It's a reminder that happiness, resilience, and optimism can inspire solutions to our nation's challenges, from mental health to economic struggles. Of course, the grand prize of 500,000 is significant. But what truly matters is the platform we provide for these individuals. Their stories will be heard, especially that we are actually observing 2025 as a 25th year founding anniversary of the foundation. Their stories will be included in the coffee table book which Cebuana Luwilier Foundation will be publishing this year. Their stories will be heard, celebrated, and amplified across the nation, just like the previous awardees. And these are stories that will remind us of who we are as a people and what we are capable of. Today, we ask our dear members from the media and even academia to please support us with this advocacy. You have the power to bring these stories to life, to help us spread the message far and wide, and through your platforms, you can inspire more Filipinos to reflect on their own journeys and find the happiness that lies within. And as we embark on this search, let us remember that happiness is not just an individual goal, but a collective responsibility. By celebrating these stories, we are contributing to a culture of positivity, resilience, and hope that will benefit generations to come. And in closing, I invite you all to join us on this incredible journey. Nominate or self-nominate someone whose story deserves to be heard. Share the message of hope and remind every Filipino that even in the darkest of times, happiness is possible. Together, let us continue to inspire and uplift our nation, one story at a time. Thank you, and we look forward to discovering the happiest Pinoy with your help. And who knows, the next happiest Pinoy can be an Ilonggo.